11 weird weather wonders even freakier than those hurricane sun, red skies. If you were freaked out by the bloody sun and scarlet skies, check out these other weird weather phenomena. The skies over Britain glowed an eerie red on Monday, prompting many folks to wonder whether the apocalypse was nigh. The hint of red October didn't really signal the end of days, though it was caused by a plume of Saharan sand pulled in by Hurricane Ophelia. The rare event was also blamed for a nasty whiff over the Isle of Wight, and the skies were further darkened by smoke from wildfires in Portugal. But if you were freaked out by the bloody sun and scarlet skies, check out these other weird weather phenomena. Willy-willy. In Aboriginal myth, the Willy-willy are spirits which emerge from a spinning vortex. Today we call them dust devils, upward spiraling vortices of air reaching up to 1,000 feet. Unlike tornadoes, Willy-willies grow upwards from the ground, rather than down from clouds. They travel across the ground and, besides dust, they may also carry loose debris. In 2011, a boy and a girl were seriously injured when a Willy-willy blew down Sea Castle. They were in 15 feet into the air, over a fence and into the middle of the busy highway in Tucson, Arizona. Lenticular clouds as wind blows across hilly or mountainous regions. The air undulates in downstream waves. With enough moisture in the air, the waves condense to form unique disc-or-lens-shaped clouds which can be seen up to 60 miles away. And they could explain a lot of so-called UFO sightings. Cat thunder lighting. This phenomenon occurs for 160 days a year, but only over the mouth of the Cat Thunder River in Venezuela. Warm and cold fronts meet at a point where marshes emit methane gas, improving the electrical conductivity of clouds. The lightning strikes can last for 10 hours at a time. Brine icicles, or ice stalactites, form beneath sea ice when a flow of extremely cold, saline water is introduced to an area. Animal rain. The sky may not rain cats and dogs, but it has been known to rain frogs, fish and other animals. Tornadoes and waterspouts are thought to suck the creatures up before raining them down again. In 1957, thousands of small fish, frogs and crayfish fell from the sky during a rainstorm in Alabama. Many of the fish were still alive and placed in ponds and swimming pools. In 2013, it rained crabs in Florida and frogs in Hungary, and Los Angeles had a shower of worms in 2007. Red strikes. These blasts of red light can soar up to 60 miles from the top of a cloud during a thunderstorm. They usually correspond with positively charged cloud-to-ground lightning and last for only a few seconds. Blue jets are similar to red strikes, but they are negatively charged and appear as zones of blue light that occur lower in the atmosphere. St. Elmo's fire. A film of the same name helped Portugal and demeanor to fame in 1985. But it took its name from the phenomenon in which static electricity forms during thunderstorms and rises of tall objects. It is named after Saint Erasmus of Ormy, Papa Saint Elmo, the patron saint of sailors, as seafarers have reported balls of fire dancing on deck and climbing their ship's masts. Fire devils. A tornado-like vortex of flames is formed when a tornado spins too close to a forest fire, or when a heavy concentration of heat is generated in a small area. Like tornadoes, fire whirls vary in size and duration, but usually last no more than a few minutes. In 1923, a fire whirl emerged during Japan's Great Kanto earthquake and killed 38,000 people. High suns. Exceptionally large hailstones